This is the HAX05. Why use the HAX05? When you need to get audio from your TV, you may encounter the following difficulties. 1. Your TV is mounted to the wall, so the optical or AUX port is hard to reach. 2. An ARC soundbar is connected to the TV, so the optical or AUX port is disabled. Now, the HAX05 offers solutions for your TV setup. Problem number 1. Your TV is mounted to the wall. First, connect the HAX05 to a power source using the USB cable provided. Take an HDMI cable and plug it into the HDMI ARC in port on the HAX05. Take the other end of the cable and plug it into your TV's HDMI ARC out port. Next, plug your audio device into either the optical out port or the RCA out ports on the HAX05. You can connect devices such as wired headphones, wired speakers, Bluetooth transmitters, and more in this way. Next, slide the output select switch to ARC Soundbar off/none. We are all set here. Problem number 2. When you want to use your soundbar and the Bluetooth headphones simultaneously. First, connect the HAX05 to a power source using the USB cable provided. Connect the HAX05 to your TV's ARC out port with an HDMI cable. Take an HDMI cable and plug it into the HDMI ARC out port on the HAX05. Take the other end of the cable and plug it into your soundbar or AV receiver's HDMI ARC port. Slide the output select switch on the HAX05 to on. The LED next to the HDMI ARC out port on the HAX05 will turn green. Connect any audio devices you plan to use to either the optical or RCA ports on the HAX05. If there's no sound, please go into your TV's sound settings and set HDMI ARC to PCM. We recommend using the HAX05 with Avantree Bluetooth transmitters, such as Avantree Orbit. With the Orbit, you'll be able to enjoy Dolby 5.1 audio from your soundbar, and you won't need to change your TV's settings to PCM. If you think this video is helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to stay notified on our new product launches. Thanks for watching.